Hi, this is Michael Krieger for Slashdot, and we're here at the headquarters of Mindjet. Mindjet delivers business-changing software to millions of users, thousands of small businesses, and 4 out of 5 of the Fortune 100. So today we're going to talk to one of the people who's responsible for keeping their software up and running and see how they've solved the performance challenges that they've encountered. We are here today at Mindjet with Brett Hathaway, the manager of SaaS Operations, and we're talking about application performance management. And let's start off, Brett, by talking about Mindjet and what you do here and what they do.
Sure. So Mindjet allows you to take an idea from inception and then actually make sure it's the right idea, because all of us have good ideas, but is it the right idea? Put it into our software, plan on that idea, brainstorm, and then actually collaborate on it and execute any plan that you're looking to do with that idea.
And you know, I've seen and downloaded your software for use as an individual, but this is something that enterprises can use to get entire teams working together, focused on these mind maps that you call them.
Right. It's absolutely critical that everybody's able to connect to our application and get on the application and collaborate.
So why is performance so important? And tell me a little bit about the applications you're responsible for. They're all software as a service, or is it?
Yeah. So my team is responsible for the uptime and the maintenance and the deploying of the software on our software as a service application. We're concerned with, obviously, performance. It's very important that our users are able to connect and collaborate online in a real-time manner, so performance is key.
Well, I imagine with teams working halfway around the world, you have to deal with a number of challenges. Latency in a particular part of the application can kill you.
Correct, yeah. We have users that are editing documents in real time all across the world, so performance is definitely critical.
So tell me about the kind of performance challenges or application challenges that you were facing before you got AppDynamics into the picture.
We were finding it hard to visualize where our bottlenecks were in the application using the tools that we had. So with AppDynamics, we were able to dig deep into the code and find out where our pain points were.
So every day can be a new release, more or less, in this world of SaaS. What kind of performance impacts or challenges does that present when you're dealing with thousands, millions of users?
Sure. Well, we don't like to surprise our users and update it on a daily basis, but we do like to give them some head time and, make sure. So yeah, we do have planned releases, and it is important to understand what's happening between release A and release B. We do extensive testing with our automation tools on our pre-production staging environments. However, it's not as easy to compare release A with release B using those tools. With AppDynamics, we can do that.
So it's kind of real-time regression testing to see how this change impacts performance and the before and after.
Yeah, we're able to historically see what the performance was with release A versus release B, which was released, say, last night, and we'd be able to see are we where we need to be.
Did you hit the target?
That's correct. Yeah.
So how did you previously do that when you had problems?
Previously, we had to look through various other monitoring sources and logging tools to try and find that needle in a haystack.
So Cacti, Nagios, Splunk, all of these tools, and each of them looked at a different part of the application or a different part of the solution?
Yeah, each of those tools is great for what it needs to do, but AppDynamics was the one tool that we needed to really find out what is happening at a deeper level in our application and find out any performance problems and fix those before the users see them, which is absolutely critical.
Got it. So when you were looking at an APM solution, what requirements did you have when you said, we've got to find something that's going to fix this problem?
Well, we definitely wanted to find something that was easy to use, easy to install, but yet very powerful in what it does. We went ahead and installed it on our pre-production staging environment just to see what exactly the tool would do for us, and we were quite happy and ended up going with it in production environment.
So that was your proof of concept? Just throw it out there in a real working environment and see what happens?
Well, we didn't have one to begin with, so we decided, hey, let's throw one in there and let's actually see what we've got here.
Okay.
So it worked out pretty well for us, yeah.
Did you have any particular evaluation criteria before you went and installed it?
We definitely needed to act fast, get something in that was, we are a small, agile team, very technical, so we wanted to be able to manage it in-house, install it in-house, and actually we pride ourselves on actually knowing the applications that we're running. So we wanted to become experts in AppDynamics. So we want to install it, configure it ourselves, and then get it up and running.
So what kind of involvement did you have with the AppDynamics team during this process, and what did you like about that?
The involvement was very nice. We had the team come in and answer any questions we had after the POC was up and running, and we did have quite a few questions, and were able to get all the answers we needed.
So as a result of this, what are some of the benefits you've seen from using AppDynamics?
Definitely the benefits would be the mean time to resolution has dramatically decreased from days to hours. We're able to, in real time, find our bottlenecks and fix them before our end users see them.
So is there any particular kind of information you're getting now or you plan to get as a result of using AppDynamics in your environment?
We are getting the performance characteristics that we need to have to submit back to our development team so that they can further improve the performance of the application.
Brett, thank you so much for your time today.
Thank you.